Have you ever wondered how programs are made? Let's dive into Python programming. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It's designed to be simple and easy to read. You can quickly understand Python's syntax, which enhances learning. Python is popular for many reasons. First, it's beginner-friendly. Many new coders start here. Its large community offers great support. Resources and libraries are plentiful. Python is used in different fields. Data analysis, artificial intelligence, and web development all utilize Python. Businesses rely on Python for its versatility. Let's look at a simple example program. Here's how you would print, "Hello, world," in Python. Print, "Hello, world." This tiny program shows how easy it is to get started. You simply type, run, and see results. To recap, Python is a powerful, accessible programming language. With its strong community and diverse applications, it opens many doors. So, are you ready to start your programming journey with Python? Let's begin today. Have you ever tried writing your first Python program? Many newcomers feel excited yet nervous, but with a little practice, you'll gain confidence. Starting with basic concepts, like variables and loops, allows you to build a solid foundation. For example, using a loop, you can automate repetitive tasks, which showcases Python's power and simplicity. Let's explore how the backquote for backquote loop works in Python. It's structured like this. You define your range and let Python iterate through each value seamlessly. Each step in the process invites curiosity and fosters a deeper understanding of programming logic. Embrace small challenges, as they lead to bigger accomplishments in your coding adventure. One common use of the backquote for backquote loop is to iterate over a list of items. Imagine you have a list of fruits, such as backquote, apple, banana, cherry, backquote. With a simple loop, you can display each fruit one by one. Here's how you can do it in Python. For fruit in apple, banana, cherry, print fruit. This code snippet not only demonstrates the loop's functionality but also highlights how intuitive Python's syntax is for beginners. With just a few lines, you can achieve results that feel rewarding. Now that you've seen how to iterate over a list, let's talk about functions. Functions in Python are crucial for organizing and reusing code efficiently. They allow you to define a specific task once and call it whenever you need it, saving time and effort. Let's create a simple function that greets a user. Here's how it looks. Def greet, name, print, hello, plus name plus. To use this function, all you need to do is call it with a name, like so. Greet Alice. This will output, hello, Alice, making your code more manageable and structured. In conclusion, Python programming not only empowers you to create functional applications but also encourages lifelong learning. With its approachable syntax and dynamic community, the journey is just beginning. Embrace every opportunity to code, and let your creativity shine through each project. Happy coding!